question, what they are given. The value of 2 power 1 by 4 into 4 power 2 by 8 into 8 power 1 by 16 and so on infinite. So 4 I am written 2 square whole power 1 by 2 mean that is 2 power 8, 2 by 8 and 2 power 3 by 16 and so on. Bases are equal, power should be adding. That power I am taken summation, that means S. So after that I multiplied 1 by 2 on both sides. 1 by 2 on both sides. So here you will get 3 by 32 and so on infinite. Now do one thing, S minus 1 by 2 into S. Both subtract, here you will get 1 by 4 plus 2 by 8 minus 1 by 8 plus 3 by 16 minus 2 by 16 and so on infinite. Both I am subtracted. After that 1 by 4 plus here we get 1 by 8, here we get 1 by 16 and so on infinite. Here S take common, remaining is 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 only. Now this is GP series. GP series. In the GP series, what is A value? 1 by 4 and R value common ratio 1 by 2. This is, remember it. Sum of infinite GP formula. What is that? A by 1 minus R. So here A is 1 by 4 divided by R means 1 minus 1 by 2. Do this calculation. What do you get? 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 cancel. That S value should be 1. S means this is only now summation. Now go to the question. Go to the question. Here you can substitute 2 power, that value should be 1. What is the answer? 2. 2 is the answer. Therefore 2 power, what is the question? 2 power 1 by 4 into 2 power 1 by 8, not 2 power, 4 power 1 by 8, 8 power 1 by 16 and so on infinite. That value we are written 1 by 4 plus 2 by 8, 3 by 16 and so on infinite. Those value we got 1. 2 power 1 is equal to 2. Mean. See that if 3 positive numbers A, X, B are in GP series, then X is called geometric mean between A and B. This is a geometric mean definition. If 3 positive numbers A comma X comma B are in GP series, then the middle value is called geometric mean between A and B. The geometric mean between two positive numbers A and B is root AB. Root AB. Root AB means how to write? AB power 1 by 2. Okay. Now, if the positive numbers A, X1, X2, X3 and so on, Xn comma B are in GP, then the numbers X1, X2, X3 and so on, Xn are called n geometric means between A and B. For suppose see here A, X1, X2, X3 and so on, Xn comma B. These are in GP series. Here, how many terms are there? This is first term. X1 is second term. X2 is third term. X3 is fourth term. Like that. Xn means that is A into R power n. B means A into R power n plus 1. Actually, nth term in GP series formula A into R power n minus 1. Here totally x1 to xn there are n terms and A and B also included. Totally n plus 2 terms. So no. So here B is equal to n plus 2th term. N plus 2th term. Okay. Nth term means this is the formula. A into R power n minus. If n plus 2th term, what we get? A into R power n plus 2 minus. These A values send left hand side, we get B by A. B by A is equal to R power n plus 1. Then what is R? N plus 1 send left hand side, it is going to B by A whole power 1 by n plus 1. This is common ratio. R is equal to B by A whole power 1 by n plus 1. Now how to find x1, x2, x3 and so on. What is x1? Tell me. x1 means AR. A into, what is the R formula? This only now. Substitute. B by A power 1 by n plus 1. This is one geometric mean x1. Then what about x2? Tell me. AR square. That is A into B by A whole power 1 by n plus 1 whole square. This is, we can write A into B by A whole power 2 by n plus 1. Similarly, what is x3? Tell me. Directly I am writing, that is AR cube, that is equal to A into B by A whole power 3 by n plus 1 and so on. Xn, how to find? That is A into R power n. We get A into B by A whole power n by n plus 1. This is nth geometric mean. This is third geometric mean. This is second geometric mean. This is first geometric mean. Students, up to here, please copy this. Geometric means. In this relation, I am going to discuss that some problems. I am going to first problem in geometric mean. Geometric mean of 6 and 24 is, what is geometric mean of A and B? Geometric mean of A and B is root AB. This is the formula. That means we can write AB whole power 1 by 2 also. What is A value and B value? That is 6 into 24. 6 24s are 144. 144 means that is 12 square. 12 square whole power 1 by 2. 2 to cancel. Answer is 12. So geometric mean of A and B is 12. Next I am going to second question. if x comma y comma z are three geometric means between 6 comma 54, then z is equal to that means third geometric mean they want. Here in between 6 and 54 there are three geometric means x, y, z. How many geometric means are there? N is equal to 3. 3 geometric means. Okay. Now how to find x? So in generally we know that this is A means this is AR. This is AR square. This is AR cube. AR power 4 because these are 2 in GP series only. By observing the combination, what is A value? 6. And observe the last one, AR power 4. How much? 54. 54. These two do the calculation. 6 R power 4 that is equal to 54. 6 table how many times? 6 nines are 54. R power 4 value is 9. Then what is R square value? 3. This is R square value. But we need to find Z. What is Z? Tell me. A into R cube. R square value 3 means what is R value? Root 3. A R cube I am writing R square into R. Tell me what is A value? 6. What is R square value? 3. What is R value? Root 3. Total answer 18 root 3. This is third job. I am going to third problem. Third problem. If the arithmetic mean AM and GM means geometric mean of two numbers are 13 and 12, then the two numbers are so they are given options. First option is 8 comma 12. Second option 8 comma 18. Third option 10 comma 18. Then fourth option 12 comma 18. Here they are given arithmetic mean. How much given? That is 13. And geometric mean given. That is 12. What is arithmetic mean of A and B? That is A plus B by 2. That is equal to 30. Geometric mean of A and B. That is square root AB. That is equal to 12. Then what is A plus B here? 26. Here do that squaring on both sides. AB is equal to 144. The sum of the two number is 26 and product is 144. So which option is possible? First I am verifying the sum. 8 plus 12, 20. But we want to get 26. So this is the wrong answer. First option is wrong. Second option, observe that 8 plus 18, 26. Yes, it is satisfied 26. Third option, 10 plus 18, 28. This is wrong. 12 plus 18, 30. This is also wrong. So by verification method, we got very easily. So now the correct answer is second option. So that means A value is 8 and B value is 18. If 8 into 18, how much, tell me? That is 144. Yes, product also satisfied. Sum also satisfied. Overall, the numbers are 8 and 18. This is the answer. Now I am going to discuss that HP. What is harmonic progression means? If the reciprocals of the terms of a series from an AP, then the series is called a harmonic progression. That means AP and HP are reciprocals to each other. Now for suppose take one example, A1, A2, A3 and so on, AN are in HP, harmonic progression. Now those values write reciprocal. That means 1 by A1, 1 by A2, 1 by A3 and so on, 1 by AN are in AP, arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, what are the formulas? We know that. What is nth term formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. And sum of n terms in AP series. What is the formula? N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Or we can write another formula also, n by 2 into A plus L. Here A is the first term, D is the common difference, L is the last term. These things already we know very well. Okay. Whenever they will give harmonic progression, write the reciprocal, it is going to arithmetic progression. Then follow the arithmetic progression related formulas. That's it. Okay. So A plus n minus 1 into D is nth term in arithmetic progression. Write the reverse. 1 by A plus n minus 1 into D is nth term of harmonic progression, HP. Okay, students, let's note down the definition and example also. Those are. Now in harmonic progression, I am going to discuss that. First question. 10th term of harmonic progression, HP, is, this is 2 by 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3 into 1 by 3 plus and so on, is 10th term in harmonic progression they are asking. They are given options 2 by 5, first option. Second option 5 by 2. Third option minus 5 by 2. Fourth option, minus 2 by 5. So 10th term of a HP given. Okay, students. Now, first write the series, what they are given. See here, 2 by 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2 means 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 5 by 2, 10 by 3, and so on are in what? HP, harmonic progression. Now write the reciprocal, 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10 plus and so on. These are in AP, arithmetic progression. So in arithmetic progression, we know that how to do the calculation. What is the first term? A, 1 by 2. What is the common difference? D. That means second term minus first term. See the calculation. LCM is 10. 4 minus 5. That is minus 1 by 10. This is D value. A value already we got. Now we need to find 10th term, T10 in arithmetic progression. What is the formula? A plus 10 minus 1 into D. That is A plus 9D. Now, what is A value? 1 by 2. D value minus 1 by 10. Overall, minus 10 by 9 by 10. What is the LCM? 10. Here 5. Here minus 9. So that's value should be minus 4 by 10. So answer is minus 2 by 5. T10. This is in AP series. But in the question they are asking 10th term in HP series. HP series. 10th term in HP. 10th term in AP we know that minus 2 by 5. But in HB means write the reciprocal. Answer is minus 5 by 2. Students, see here minus 2 by 5 also is there, fourth option. So HP series given, we are converted to AP series. We got 10th term in AP, but they are asking 10th term in HP. That's why write the reciprocal, then identify the option. So fourth term of a HP is 1 by 3. Seventh term is 1 by 4. Then 16th term is. So they are given in HP series. Now, first once again I am writing T4, 1 by 3, T7, 1 by 4, then find T16. These are in HP series. Now those we can convert AP series. T4, write the reciprocal, 3, T7, 4, then find T16, question mark. These are in AP series. Students, are you understood? Right. Now I am going to T4 means what is the formula in AP series? A plus 4 minus 1 into D, that is 3D. A plus 3D is equal to 3. A plus 7 minus 1, 6. D is equal to 4. By using these two, we need to find A value and D value. Subtract here. A plus 6D is equal to 4. A plus 3D is equal to 3. Both subtract, minus, minus, minus. These two cancel. 6 minus 3, 3D. That is equal to 1. So, D value is 1 by 3. Substitute here. A plus 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 3. 3 cancel and 1 send right hand side. So it will come 2. A is 2, D value is 1 by 3. Now we need to find T60